Namaskar, welcome to our channel Spiritual Healing for You. I am Reiki Master Hima Chetty, and today I am going to share a couple of beautiful stories about the childhood trance experiences of the Holy Master Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa was born in a village named Kamarpukur of Hooghly district, Bengal. This beautiful village was surrounded by rice fields, tall palm trees, huge banyans, lakes, and ponds. The master was born to the pious and honest Khudiram Chattopadhyay and Chandra Devi. In 1835, when Khudiram was on a pilgrimage to the holy city Gaya, he had a dream in which the Lord Vishnu promised to be born as his son. And Chandra Devi too, in front of the Shiva temple at Kamarpukur, had a vision indicating the birth of a divine child. On 18th of Feb 1836, the child born was named as Gadadhar. This name was given in memory of the dream at Gaya. Gadadhar means the bearer of the mace, an epithet of Vishnu. Gadadhar grew up into a healthy and restless boy, full of fun and sweet mischief. He was intelligent, with inborn talent, and endowed with remarkable memory. He learnt by heart the hymns of gods and goddesses, and at the village school he was taught to read and write. His greatest delight was to listen to the recitation of stories from Hindu mythology and the epics. He learned the art of molding images of gods and goddesses from the potter. At the age of 6 or 7, Gadadhar had his first experience of spiritual ecstasy. One day, in June or July, when he was walking along a narrow path between paddy fields, eating the puffed rice that he carried in a basket, he looked up at the sky and saw a beautiful dark thundercloud. As it spread rapidly, enveloping the whole sky, a flight of snow-white cranes passed in front of it. The beauty of the contrast overwhelmed the boy. He fell to the ground, unconscious, and the puffed rice went in all directions. Some villagers found him and carried him home in their arms. Gadadhar said that in that state he had experienced an indescribable joy. Gadadhar was 7 years old when his father died. He was profoundly affected by this incident and realized that life on earth was impermanent. At the age of 9, he was invested with the sacred thread and permitted to worship their family deity Raghuveer. There is another well-known incident in which the little boy Gadadhar experienced the divine trance. Once, during the night of Shivaratri, a dramatic performance was arranged consecrated to worship Lord Shiva. The principal actor, who was to play the part of Shiva, suddenly fell ill and Gadadhar was persuaded to act in his place. For the role of Shiva, he was dressed with matted locks, body smeared with ashes, trident in his hand and beads of Rudraksha around his neck. He looked the living image of Shiva. The audience applauded loudly what it took to be his skill as an actor. But it was soon discovered that he was really lost in meditation. His countenance was radiant and tears flowed from his eyes. He was lost to the outer world. The people felt blessed by the vision of Shiva himself. The performance had to be stopped and the boy's mood lasted till the following morning. Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa thus, since childhood days and throughout his lifetime, had such divine, blissful experiences. Friends, these are some of the few incidences from the Master's childhood life. I hope you enjoyed these stories. I will come back with more such interesting videos that will reveal the insights of the teachings from our great masters. Om Shanti.